Let me tell you a story. When I downloaded the HelloTalk app, I joined a voice room of Japanese, and when I saw them talking slow fluently, I become so nervous that I clicked off. And then I started chatting. I almost chatted for about 6 months, but I never joined voice room. And then I realized that I should join voice rooms. And then I made another mistake. I accidentally joined voice rooms of my native languages like Hindi, and I talked to those folks, and they give me zero value because we are talking in Hindi, sometimes in English, but mostly in Hindi. And Japanese, there was no Japanese. I never studied Japanese, and this is the mistake that you probably gonna make. So first tip is never ever join your native language voice rooms. They are bullshit. They never come handy. Go join your targeted language voice rooms. It's the best. Even if you don't understand, stay down, but join the voice room. It's the best advice I can give you. And the next things are like small. If for example, if you don't put profile picture, I see that people don't give you much value. Like I'm gonna say, like, Japanese people don't put a profile picture, but for English speakers, it's quite good to put profile picture. It attracts a lot of attention. If you're not one of the, I'm not saying that it won't work if you don't put a profile picture. I'm saying that when I put it, I certainly got more attention, and people will listen to you more. The next thing is that in the settings of this app, when you set up this app, it asks for your gender, and then you have two options. If you select male, the people you will have to chat are all females. You will not get a single male. So it's upon you. If you want to chat with females or males, don't ever think of dating on this app. You can, but don't. It's not good. But it's good if I think so. It motivates you. But you will then chat. You want to go to voice room. No, it's not worth it. If you're female, select male, and if you're male, select female. That's good. You can talk to same gender. And next is a psychological trick in which I'm saying that, for example, let me say I ask you a question, what are you doing? You will probably reply something like I'm doing nothing well, but you will reply in English. You will never reply in Japanese, right? Why would you? I didn't ask in Japanese, but if I did and you know Japanese, you would reply in Japanese. So my point here is that whenever you enter voice room, start your conversation in your target language. Never say in your native language, because if you do, the whole time you spend in the voice room, you will talk in that language, but not in your targeted language. Well, there's a thing that it is a language exchange app, but you have to remember that it's not a perfect world. Language exchange doesn't exist in the voice room. It always goes in one language. The language never shifts until someone does, like they start saying Japanese or other stuff. But you have to focus that you should spend time in Japanese. Don't let anyone to change subject in English. If someone comes, you don't allow to change subject in other language. You always stick to Japanese, and if you chat, you always start in Japanese, so that you even chat in Japanese, because Japanese is their target language, and you don't want to type in English. Why would you? Now the next thing is, we all think that we open the app 7 days a week, but it's not ever. It never happens. I almost say that you will open probably 2 or 1 days a week after some time, but you have to keep like at least 3 days a week. You could aim to open the app, and it will benefit you. Spend at least 15 minutes in voice room, at least 15 minutes. If you want to see progress, you could do it like 30 minutes, but you have to do it. There is no other way. You have to spend at least 30 minutes in the voice room if you want to succeed in this app. And well, I think this app is quite good. Like Tandem, others, I just tried that out, but they don't have the socializing thing that this app has, like movements. Yeah, forgot to mention that you can put movements, and it builds a lot of credibility. A lot of credibility is built by movements, so you can do it. And other stuff is that the age you select, you always get the people in voice room of that age. Like the moment when I selected the 15, like 2 years ago, I get people like 16, 17, 14. Yeah. I never get someone of like 19 of age. No, they are all the same group. So it kind of helps in socializing. Well, don't waste your time. Go join the app and rock with the things I told you.